Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Adrian. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We talk about health and things that promote self-development on this channel. We're gonna go ahead and talk about the 5 benefits of drinking water. I know that water is a very essential thing that we need. We need it when we're thirsty, when we're gonna hop into a pool, just to feel good, or even, just pretty much to live. But there's a lot of benefits that come along with just drinking water. And on today, what I did for this video was that I researched on www.medicalnewstoday for my 5 top benefits for drinking water. So my number 1 benefit for today is that it can help promote a good digestive system. So if you don't drink enough water, it can in turn lead into constipation, an overly acidic stomach. This can increase the risk of heartburn and stomach ulcers. So in order for us to have a clean system, and in order for us to not have to deal with constipation, heartburn, stomach ulcers, overly acidic stomach, just try and drink as much water as you are able to. If you're not able to drink like a lot of water, but your system may need it, you may need to consult a doctor on that. But just drink enough water to promote a good digestive system. And then my number 2 is that it flushes out body waste. Body waste being urine, feces, anything that could be in your system that's just being there for a really long time. This is kind of like my step number 1, that it helps get rid of that constipation when you need to go to the restroom. So just make sure that you drink enough water throughout your day so that you can go ahead and just flush out all those toxins. Because if you have feces inside of your stomach for a very long time, or even urine in your stomach for a very long time, it could eventually actually get you sick, because all of that stuff is just sitting there. You literally have all of this crap just in your stomach, which you don't really want there anymore. So that's why your body's trying to push it out, but you're not able to. So then it ends up kind of rotting in a way inside of your system. So make sure to go ahead and get rid of that by drinking a sufficient amount of water. So my 3rd benefit for this video is that it helps with boosting exercise. Now, if you're not drinking a sufficient amount of water, you can end up getting very dehydrated. And if you're working out, then because of the dehydration, you're not really gonna push yourself as much. So if you end up drinking water and you're in the zone of exercise, let's say you're running, you're walking, you're maybe doing upper bodies such as, biceps, anything like that, you're not really going to push yourself as much, because now you have all this brain fog. Now you don't have as much energy. So make sure to drink a sufficient amount of water to possibly prevent dehydration with exercise, so that you could possibly push yourself even further with water. So my 4th tip, I thought that would be really good as a follow-up to number 3, is that it helps lower your body temperature. Now, when you're out there exercising, or if you're just out there because, these are hot summer days, you could really get hot and dehydrated off of the humidity of the climate. So make sure to drink a sufficient amount of water so that you don't end up just pretty much burning yourself out and possibly even pass out from dehydration, which would be a very terrible thing to happen. So drink enough water to possibly prevent that from happening and to lower your body temperature so that you're in a safe place while you're out there in the sun or even exercising. And then now my number 5 benefit for drinking a sufficient amount of water is that it will boost skin health, which when you're dehydrated, if you're dehydrated, you could end up getting skin disorders, premature wrinkling over time if you're not drinking enough water over a long duration of time. So in order to avoid that, just try and see if you could drink a sufficient amount of water. My tip for that is just pretty much just drink water when you're thirsty, so that you can go ahead and avoid that. But just remember, if you're not able to drink a sufficient amount of water because of maybe a medical condition, talk with your medical professional and see what you can go ahead and do about that, so that you could possibly get some of the benefits of drinking a sufficient amount of water. So there you have it, you guys. Those are my 5 benefits to drinking water. I got all of that off of www.medicalnewstoday.com, just to recap that. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Now, just to go ahead and recap some of the stuff that we went through in this video, the 5 benefits is that it will help promote a healthy digestive system. It flushes out the body. It can boost your performance during exercise. It can help regulate temperature, and it could boost skin health to prevent some skin disorders or premature wrinkling. So those are my benefits through research of drinking water. So if you guys have any benefits of your own, or maybe if some of these benefits don't apply to you, go ahead and comment them down below to, help out the community so that we could all go ahead and benefit from your knowledge. And with that being said, I hope you guys liked the video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.